brush. Oh. Okay. Good morning. Twice a day. Every day. For 2 minutes. You're doing good, baby. You have to focus. This is not fun. This is not glamorous. It's not sexy. True love. And done. Now we floss. This is long enough. Open. Very good. I want to look at every single tooth. Every day. Twice a day.
Andy.
We're gonna make sure we can. Oh, yesterday we might have missed something. After we brush our teeth in the nighttime, we don't eat anything. We don't drink anything except water. And now we're ready for the world. Okay. Morning brush. Hands down, please. Close a little. Very good. There we go. You're still in pain, I know. Come on. You can't keep fighting me, though. Twice a day. Twice a day. For 2 minutes. Close a little. Shh. Wake up the whole house. It's not easy. This is not... Please relax. Yes. Shush. Yes, even though you got a tooth taken out, we still need to brush the one behind it and in front of it. Good job. Time to floss. Alright, open. You have to try every day. We got a temporary in there, so we're going to skip that one. So return. Okay, done.